Well, we were in the bathroom there, so we had to swim in underneath the door, which we couldn't see, and just feel round, swim back to here, get through this door, and then we only had about that much breathing space to get one breath and find that door there, just with your hands and feeling the door, and then ducking back underneath and trying to take another breath. So this was the hardest part to get out of because it was no air in there. Then we finally got out and the hands grabbed the spouting up there, and we just ran your hands along the spouting so we could get up on that roof there because it's lower, and just pull yourself up. I'm full of bruises, pushing myself up there and getting up onto the big roof.
It was with a very heavy heart last night that we received the news that our Muriwai firefighter, Craig Stevens, who was rescued in the early hours of Tuesday from the Muriwai landslide, would no longer be with us. Craig died in hospital last night, surrounded by his loved ones, after fighting valiantly till the end.
Much like yourselves, these pockets of fun. He's such a nice guy. Right, shallow. Is that silt there though, bro?
Looks like it, yeah.